Hello everybody, welcome back to Thunder Valley CB Shop. We're going to set some prices here and watch this video to the end because we got a surprise for you. Here's that Striker 447. You can change colors on her. She's a nice radio. This one's already been converted, peaked and tuned. It's 380. And we have the Connex 3300 high power. That's 375, already been peaked, tuned, aligned, and converted. And same with the Connex, peak tuned, aligned, and converted, and I believe that one's 370. We also got some other stuff here for sale, and we got our Cobras in stock. We still have our dual camera system, that one on sale for $199. We have our external speakers for $35 and $25, and here's our radio wraps. Our radio wraps are $40 installed. There we go, Thunder Valley CB Shop. Don't tread on me. We got some skulls, some flames, Confederate flag, and the American flag. We got some decals here. They're $6 a piece. Our son's paintings, these two up here, they're $25 each. These paintings are $40 a piece. Now, so here's our contest that we're having. As of today, we hit 500 subscribers on our YouTube page. Thank you all very much. Thunder Valley CB Shops. Subscribe, like, and share. The first person that makes that 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is going to win a free radio. Now on TikTok, we hit 7,000 subscribers today. The first person that makes that 10,000 is going to also win a free radio. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and God bless.